Alright, welcome back to MrJayDM, and today we're going to pull the engine out of the 91 Civic. The weather hasn't been cooperating real well recently. It is Tuesday. It rained yesterday. It's supposed to rain tomorrow. I think Thursday is supposed to be nice, and then Friday it's supposed to rain again. I got kind of a cold because the weather just keeps flip-flopping. It's cold one day and hot the next day, and just my throat, my sinuses, they're all fucked up. So I probably won't talk much. This is pretty much the same thing I just did. I'm gonna remove the engine out of this car, and I've done this a million times, and I've recorded it, you know, a half a dozen times, so I probably won't record any details. We got the B16 right here on a dolly, and we've got it all jacked up. We need to obviously take the wheels off, pull the axles, the lower ball joint, the shock fork, pull the axles on both sides, and then the exhaust. We'll have to disconnect it, separate right there in the center, up underneath, and the radiator's going. We'll probably do that first after we get the axles pulled, and then wiring and the shift cable, the throttle cable. You know, it's all the same thing I just did. So we're going to throw you on a time lapse here, and hopefully you enjoy. Alright, so look at this crazy shit. The sun's out, but it's fucking raining. I don't know if I'm done for the day or not. I didn't really get very far. I didn't think it was supposed to rain till late tonight, but maybe it's just a quick cloud that's gonna blow by real quick. We got the radiator fans removed, the radiator, the two lines for the AC, the battery, because he wants to delete the AC. So we're gonna remove all the AC lines and the condenser, the dryer, and so we'll get all that removed. Hopefully this rain will stop. I guess I'm gonna eat some lunch, and I'll be back if the rain stops. If not, then it'll be Wednesday. I guess Thursday, because tomorrow's Wednesday. It's supposed to rain, and then Thursday is supposed to be nice. So we'll see. All right, so it's like 3:30. It ended up raining a little bit longer than I expected. It's still kind of sprinkling, but I'm gonna go ahead and pull this, or continue working on this engine. So we're gonna get this out, and or we're gonna attempt to get most of what we can before it starts raining. But I think it's gonna cut But I think it's going to stop raining tonight, so I'll probably just come out here tonight and finish it up and not record it. I guess what we need to do is get the wiring all disconnected and the hoses, and then we can get this sucker out of here. Alright, so it started raining again, so I stopped filming, but I'm at this point where I've got the engine almost out. All the mounts are disconnected, and I just need to start hoisting it out. And of course, this is where I struggle all the time. I probably should have taken the AC compressor off because that looks like it's going to be in the way, but I don't know. Here goes the struggle. All right, we got the engine pulled. It wasn't recording for half the time. I thought it was recording, but thank God it wasn't, because I struggled majorly getting it out. But I guess we're gonna clean this up. I think Thursday is the next day. It's supposed to be nice, so we'll probably get the engine bay cleaned up and get the B16 dropped in. But yeah, I always struggle getting the engines out. I don't know why. But just getting it out. I have everything unbolted, everything disconnected, all the lines, everything. It's just hoisting it out of the engine bay. I just struggle. I don't know what I do wrong. But it's out, and the owner's on vacation. He'll be back, I guess, at the end of the week. So I'm hoping to get it done by the end of the week. I don't know, I'm still feeling real snotty, and my throat is sore, but it's just allergies. You know, it's warm one day, it's cold the next day, it's rainy all day, and then it's warm, and it's just got me fucked up. So but anyway, I guess we're gonna end this video here. I know there wasn't much content. It was mostly just time lapse, or hell, I don't even know if I have enough content for a full video. But anyway, thanks for watching. I appreciate it, and I will see you all in the next video.
Bruh. Bruh.